stuck in the mud. The children went for a walk. It was a muddy walk. Wow, a muddy path, said Bees. Papa, what was that? Asked the sheep. Papa, what is that? Asked Wilma. It's a sheep, said Dad. Probably on a lead. Oh no, said the sheep. A sheep is stuck in the mud. The sheep couldn't get out. The mud was too deep. Help me get it out, said Dad. Dad went to help the sheep. He sank into the mud. Wilma and Chip went to help. They sank into the mud. Dad pushed. Wilma and Chip pulled. They got the sheep out. Papa went the sheep. Wilma and Chip were muddy. Dad had lost a bush. Wilma went to get Dad's bush. Help, said Wilma. Now I am stuck. The end.